examples and formulae on integration by part. Before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel Omkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it. Integration by part. By part. Integration by part formula is integration u into v dx is equals to u integration v dx minus integration into bracket integration v dx bracket complete du by dx into dx. U is a first term and V is second term. Integration by part means product of two terms, integration of product of two terms is equals to first term remain as it is, integration of second term minus integration into bracket integration of second term into derivative of first term into dx. And integration by part depend upon rule LIATE. L represent logarithm, I represent inverse trigonometry, A represent algebra, T represent trigonometry, and E represent exponential. Here integration by part is short formula is integration uv dx, u into v dx is equals to u as it is, integration of second term represent u into v1 minus u dash v2 dash represent derivative and 1 2 3 represent first integration, second integration, then plus u double dash v3 minus dash dash dash. This shortcut formula is applicable for ATE. This shortcut integration by part formula depends upon order of algebra, trigonometry and exponential. For example, x cos 2x dx, integration by part u into v dx is equals to u integration v dx minus integration into square bracket integration v dx into du by dx into dx. First term is algebraic and second term is trigonometry. Therefore, I is equals to u means x integration cos 2x dx minus integration cos 2x dx into dx upon dx into dx is equals to x into the integration of cos 2x minus sin plus sin 2x divided by 2 minus integration sin 2x divided by 2 into 1 derivative of x is 1 into dx. Then x sin 2x divided by 2 minus 1 upon 2 into bracket integration of sine minus cos 2x divided by 2 plus c is equals to x sin 2x divided by 2 minus minus plus cos 2x divided by 4 plus c is the final result. Instead of using a normal formula of integration by part, we use shortcut formula. For the example, integration x cos 2x dx. X first term represent algebra, second term cos 2x is a trigonometry. Then according to the shortcut formula, first term remain as it is and integration of second term, integration of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2. Then minus derivative of first term, derivative of x is 1. Then integration of second term, double integration of second term. First integration is sin 2x upon 2 and its integration is minus cos 2x divided by 4 plus c. Then the final result is x sin 2x upon 2 plus minus minus plus cos 2x divided by 4 plus c is the final result of the example integration x cos 2x dx according to the shortcut formula. Next example, integration sin root x dx. I is equals to integration sin root x dx. In the trigonometry, angle of sin x, sin is root x, therefore put t is equals to root x. Then squaring on both sides, so t square is equals to x. Derivative of differentiate, derivative of above step is 2t dt is equals to dx. So instead of root x put t and instead of dx put 2t dt. Then we get I is equals to integration sin t into 2t dt. Write the above example in order of LIATE. Therefore, 2 integration L means logarithm. There is no logarithmic term. Then I represent inverse trigonometry. Again, there is no any inverse trigonometric term. But there is algebra. Algebraic term is t. So t into first write t. Then t represent trigonometry is sin t dt. Then first term is algebraic, which is t. Second term is sin t, which is trigonometry. Therefore, I is equals to 2 into first term remain as it is according to integration by part formula. Then integration of sin t dt minus integration, again integration of sin t dt. Then derivative of first term dt divided by t dt into dt is equals to 2 into bracket first term remain as it is, so t into integration of sin minus cos t minus integration of sin t minus cos t into dt by dt is 1 into dt. Then is equals to 2 into bracket minus t sin t, cos t, minus plus integration of cos t dt. Then I is equals to 2 into bracket minus t cos t integration of cos plus sin t bracket complete plus c is equals to minus 2t. Instead of t, substitute value of t, root x. So minus 2 root x cos root x minus plus 2 sin root x plus c is the final result. If you have any query or you want to solve the sum based on the topic included in my videos, you can send it on my email ID. Have a good day.